Hi folks, this is Raul here at WorldWideRV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona. Today I want to show you a brand new floor plan for 2025 from the Jayco range. This is the Jayco J-Flight 200 MKSW. So this unit is an ideal travel trailer for couples that like to dry camp. This unit carries 76 gallons of fresh water. It also weighs 6,500 pounds fully loaded. One of the nicest features that I really like to point out is this water heater. This is a propane only on-demand hot water, but what really makes it special is that it's 60,000 BTUs, while basically all of the competition only gives you 42,000 BTUs. That means that even in cold mornings, you can take hot showers. Let's check out the inside. So here we are in the interior of the 200 MKSW, and as you can see, it's a very spacious with a very nice layout with lots of counter space, big 12-volt fridge, theater seating standard, easy access. Even with the slide in, this unit is fully usable. You can sleep in the bed, you can get to the bathroom, you can get to the fridge even with the slide in. The slide out just gives you more room, which is a very nice feature. Very roomy shower and a sink in the bathroom as well. This unit is also equipped with the optional 15,000 BTU AC. This unit also has the solar package, which gives you 200 watts of solar on the roof, but it's wired for 500, so if you want to add more, you can just plug it in. As you can see, it's got a full walk-around bed with decent storage underneath. Like all other Jaycos, it comes with 2-year limited warranty on the whole thing and 3-year structural. If you'd like to see this unit and many others that we have here, please stop by. My name is Raul. I'll be more than happy to help.